Hello again, Sandy Boxall here with another Contract Finder Pro bite-sized feature demo. So today we're going to be looking at award searches. So this is for tenders that have been awarded, and we've seen a published winner notice that comes out. So you can see who has won, maybe what the value was, and who's placed it. So firstly, where to go, up to this market analysis note, and then click on this top one, Explore Awarded Contracts. So you can do a couple of things here. So firstly, you can see 115,000 things in the last year alone. That is a lot. One of the great ways of doing this here is if you're tuning a search that you want to set up alerts for, you can put in terms you're not really sure what you're going to get. And you can see maybe I'll try forestry. It's not an area of speciality for me, but look, 752 hits in the last year alone. And that tells you potentially forestry is a much bigger market than you realized. This is something for you, and it helps you tune those alerts. You could equally narrow it down and say, and London, and you find it's still a pretty big market. And if you haven't entered the market before, perhaps that's worthwhile. The search functions itself works exactly the same as for tender search. You can tune the values, you can tune the locations, simple as that. And you can open it up to all time, which is a lot, or just a shorter period. You also get these opportunity tiles just as normal. So you can mark things as favorites here, the little toggle. You can email it to colleagues. Have you seen this one? Look who won that. And you can set reminders, which works just the same as the reminder feature does on other pieces. So you can set your reminder to go after tender contract start date. Now, what you would generally think about this is if it's a multi-year contract, you set a reminder in a year or two to remind you to get involved, talk to the customer, and see if potentially that's something you could bid for in the future. And it also, as a efficiency tool, it allows you to not think about it in the fallow period where there's not really a chance of poaching it. And that can be really useful just to save you time. Now, first of all, I looked for work type, but you could equally also look for competitors. So here's me just searching for CGI, a big IT company, for those who don't know them. I won 57 tenders in the last year. It's quite a lot, quite good values there, and you can investigate what they've won. That can be a really useful, quick way of seeing who you're in the market against. And as before, you can click through to the supplier page, clicking here, but that's the subject of a different video. So that is a quick whistle-stop tour of how the awards page works. If you've got any further questions, do let us know on the number above or email sales@contractfinderpro.com, and we are here to help.